Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to deposit fiat currency to Binance. So just log in on my Binance account. So I will just tap on this add funds and just tap to buy and Australian dollar because my account creating with Australian dollar. So here you can just select the currency which you have to deposit. So you can also search for I would like to deposit euro. So I will just tab on in USDT and then convert in euros. So I will just tap the amount like 100 USDT. So I will just tap to confirm, and before you tap to confirm you can select the payment method. You can purchase it from the Visa, MasterCard or Apple Pay. Both methods are available. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.